What we are looking at right here is the billing page for Mailchimp with one of the brands that I work for. We are paying almost $1,500 a month now for the past 2 months. Another brand that I work with is already at $400 plus every month. Both of these companies are now paying less than $200 a month. And that's because we've switched to GoHighLevel. So in this video, I'm going to show you my process from moving over from Mailchimp into GoHighLevel. So for Mailchimp, we are going to need to export the contacts, and you can do this one of two ways. One option is to go to the audience tab here on the side. And then right here, you can just click export audience. Alternatively, what you can do if you have the audience segmented, you can go over here to segments on the side. You can export specific segmented audiences by clicking the drop down arrow here and then clicking this option right here that says export as CSV. Now, when you export, it's going to give you a folder with 4 different files in it. And here are those 4 CSV files right here. They're going to be titled with cleaned, non-subscribed, subscribed, and unsubscribed. So for me, moving these files into HighLevel, I use subscribed. You obviously know what the unsubscribed list is, so you probably don't need that. Clean is going to be the list of contacts and emails that are pretty much useless. They were bounced emails, so you don't need those. And non-subscribed are people that are not subscribed yet. They've shown interest, but they're not quite unsubscribed. So you could bring these over if you wanted to. Now, in GoHighLevel, what you're going to want to do is go over here to the side at the contacts tab. Click this little icon right here for import contacts. And it'll take you through a few screens. The first screen is for contacts. So that is what we are importing. So we'll have that selected, click next. And then from here is where you can drag and drop or upload the file that you exported from Mailchimp. So for our example, we'll go with the subscribe list and we'll drop that in there and click next. And on this step, you're going to map the columns to fields in the contacts objects. So for example, emails, first and last name, address, etc. You can carry over relevant data from Mailchimp into GoHighLevel that you want to keep. And whatever you're not using, you'll check this box right down here that says don't import data in unmapped columns because you don't need those. And click next. And then on this last screen right here, you can create a smart list or you can create a tag for this imported list. So you can create a tag that says Mailchimp imports, which I've done already. And this just helps identify these contacts for future use in your sub account in GoHighLevel. From here, you just go down to the bottom, check this consent button, and click Start Bulk Import. And that is it. It is just as easy as that. To migrate from Mailchimp into GoHighLevel, you'll go into Mailchimp first. You'll export your contacts, the full audience, or specific segments. And alternatively, you can export segments at a time, export them into GoHighLevel here, and give them their own individual tag for each segment. So it's up to however you want to do it. But I thought this video would be useful for somebody because at the end of the day, I don't think it's worth it to overpay for expensive software. That age and era is done, in my opinion. We don't need to pay an arm and a leg to Klaviyo, to Mailchimp, to all these different services when you have an outstanding platform here like GoHighLevel that you pay one monthly subscription for, and you get all these services. You can trade in all the tools and subscriptions that you're using for this one cohesive, powerful platform. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments. I'm here to help. I really enjoy making these YouTube videos, and I'll keep making these YouTube videos for whatever tutorials that I think of, because looking on YouTube, there are some things that I look for that I can't find. So As I come across stuff that I can't find on YouTube, I'll just upload YouTube videos for it. If you're still watching until now, thank you so much for watching. Show me some love by subscribing to the channel and sharing this channel with a friend. I'm also going to be uploading videos documenting my journey, building my GoHighLevel agency, and I'm strategically doing that by making a local business here in my city for auto detailing, so that when I go into businesses in person to onboard clients for my agency, I'm going to demonstrate my auto detailing page to show off the voice AI agent, the chat widget, the booking features to these business owners. And if they have a car that needs to get detailed, they can be a customer for that business. And at the same time, I could use that as a demo to show them the benefits of this software and get them set up and onboarded as a client of mine. So I'll be uploading videos every week and share my experiences talking to business owners, building out this auto detailing business, etc. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good one.